color coding your Google Calendar so that you can track how you're spending your time. That's this week's topic on Tech Tip Tuesday. So we're actually going to look at two things with our calendars. The first thing we're going to look at is color coding our events. And then we're going to look at, just look at the data and see how we're spending our time. So the first thing is color coding. And you can see on my calendar here, I have 3 meetings here that all had to do with actually trainings with progress learning. So if I'm going to color code those, I'm going to right click it, and then that'll bring up this menu, and I have an option of what color to choose. So I'm just going to select pink for all 3 of these. Now you'll notice on the left hand side of my calendar right over here where I have kind of this time insights bar, as I change the event colors, that bar there will change. I have a teaching and learning department meeting. I'm going to go ahead and change that one. Let's make it graphite. Now on this one, I'm going to select all the events because this is a reoccurring event. So that means that any event going forward is going to be the same color. So I won't have to do those individually, and you'll notice it popped up over here. And then let's look and see. I had this training with Schlettke Center. So I'm going to go ahead and color that one orange. And so now you can see all my events over here in different colors. That's a good way to just keep things organized, and then you can see if you know what your color coding scheme is and you use the same colors for particular meetings, you'll recognize what a meeting is without even having to read it, because you'll recognize the color. So it does help with organizing that. But now we're going to look at how to see or read more into the way we're spending our time. So you notice I have this bar over here, but I can also click this right here where it says more insights. And when I click that, it's going to bring up this table over here on the right hand side. And you can see this is my work week right here. Here are all the different events that I have. They're color coded. If I hover over a color, it's going to tell me you can see which event that is. If I scroll down here, I can see how long I'm spending in those different events. And then here, these are my different weeks, like this is from August. This is this week, last week, and then next week. And then here is pretty interesting. You can look and see who you are with in your meetings. So you can see with this one, at least this week, Stacy Davis is someone that I'm in the majority of my meetings. I'd spend up to 5 hours with her this week, and then after that would be Carrie, and then there's Shelly, and then Miss Ramos. So just a quick, easy way to organize, and hopefully you can find that useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week for Tech Tip Tuesday.